You would never guess how strong this drink is just by tasting it. This Poncha, one of Madeira Island's most traditional drinks, and I'm going to show you exactly how they make it. Start by pouring aguardente de cana, Madeira's clear sugarcane spirit, into the measuring glasses. The original Poncha recipe is traditionally made with lemon juice, honey and aguardente. But this version adds freshly squeezed orange juice as well. It changes the drink quite a bit. That orange juice, it just softens that sharpness of the lemon. It adds a bit of extra sweetness to it and gives that puncha a smoother, fruitier flavour. Then you pour the 3 glasses that you've just mixed up into a larger glass and using a muddler to stir it. The muddler is traditionally used to squeeze out that lemon and orange juice. But this is still not ready to drink. There's still one more ingredient that needs to be added, some sweetness. But before we add some sweetness to it, we need to give this mixture a really good mix. So the Portuguese have invented this tool, and they called it a caralhinho. It's a traditionally handmade mixer, but there's a technique to it. She might make it look like it's difficult to mix, but it's actually quite easy. But when you make puncha this way, it can get quite a few chunky pieces. So we sieve it. The aguardente that's used in the Poncha is a strong distilled spirit that's made from sugarcane. It's also referred to as aguardente de cana. It's quite similar to rum, but it has its own style of distillation. The typical strength is about 40% alcohol. The name aguardente literally means burning water. My name's Grandpa. And if you're enjoying this video, give us a follow and let me know if you've ever been to Madeira Island. And now for that final ingredient. The honey is measured in a very traditional way. By dipping the round head of the caralhinho into the honey, we ordered 3 punches and we asked that one of them be split into 2. And again, everything is mixed together using the caralhinho until that honey gets all dissolved. There's no sugar added for extra sweetness. Puncha was invented by the local fishermen. It helped keep them nice and warm during those long, cold nights at sea. And it's also drunk locally as a cold and flu remedy. The locals say that the fishermen would drink this as a preventative against colds and flu. Puncha is served in bars all across Madeira Island and has become a real favourite with the locals and visitors alike. But don't let that sweet citrus flavour fool you. There's a serious amount of that aguardente hiding in there. And because aguardente goes down so easy, it's definitely one drink you need to respect.